Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is unboxing the June ManixMe subscription. If you're not familiar with the brand, they do stamping supplies to do nail art on your nails. I absolutely love this brand. It is one of the most affordable brands I've ever encountered. So let's get into the unboxing. I got the $25 subscription this month because I was smitten with the mermaid topper. It is a smudge-free top coat, but it's like mermaid skin. No mermaids were harmed in the making of it, but I'm going to get to that in a minute when I unbox the polishes for you guys. If you're not familiar with the subscription, it comes with two different tiers. The $18 tier, which is just 2 stamping plates, and the $25 tier, which comes with 2 exclusive polishes that are sneak peeks that will be released sometime in the future, but the plates are exclusive every single month. And these plates this month are this nice dusty blue, which I love blue. It's my favorite color. So this month I didn't skip or downgrade to the $18 one because I absolutely love blue. And for the plates, I absolutely fell in love with the theme of the plates. They're super unique, and I don't have anything like these plates. So I was like, I need this plate now. It's very nautical, like, I don't know how to say it. It's not nautical, but it's very ocean life themed, very oceany. There's like water, palm trees, beachy. Like, I'm getting 1000% summer vibes from this plate. I love it. Their mixture of the mermaids and the lemonade and the whales. You get all the things. Like, it's not just one summer theme. And then the second plate comes with a lot of other smaller images. And I know girls were going crazy about the Jeep image that was in the upper right corner. I'm going crazy about this shark right here, though. I really love that little shark. And I'm actually going to stamp the shark on my nails today. I already prepped my nails because I put on this polish by Sparkle & Co. It is called Icicle Opal, which I believe is the dupe polish version to DP 157, which is called Sea Glass Opal. I believe it is. Do not quote me on that. I just believe it is. So right now I'm just going to pull out all the polishes that I think I'm going to use on this plate because I want my shark to be a gray color and I want to color his teeth in his mouth, and so that takes 3 colors plus my smudge-free top coat. Again, if you're unfamiliar with nail art stamping, I have a Stamping 101 video, and I think I mentioned it last week in a different video, that I'm going to re-record and update that Stamping 101 video with a newer, updated version. So today I'm going to do a more intricate and advanced technique called reverse stamping. So there's going to be some coloring in like a coloring book type of deal, but feel free to continue watching and see how I go about filling in this little shark and making him super duper colorful and wonderful. I decided to start the coloring process by filling in the teeth of the shark, and then I'm going to move on to the mouth area and then the outer portion, which is the skin of the shark, which is going to be gray. So I take a very small dotting tool. I have dotting tools in all kinds of sizes, from very, very tiny to get the most intricate details to some more larger ones to fill in space a lot faster. So I'm taking a very small dotting tool and I'm using white stamping polish to fill in the center of the shark. If you don't have stamping polish, you can definitely use traditional nail polish. I just prefer stamping polish because I already have it. I don't want to buy two types of the same color. Anyway, so I use Maniology stamping polishes for all of this video, and I'll have all those linked in the description box below or named because I believe some of the colors I have are now discontinued, but you can find alternative colors at Maniology's website. They have similar colors. I mean, how many shades of red do you need? Don't ask me about pink and blue though, because you need every shade. So when I flip it over, I can see what the shark looks like. And now I'm going to go in and fill in the entire face. And do not worry about covering the eyes and details in this portion, because when you flip the stamp over on the other side, that is the portion that goes down on your nail, and the details of like the eyes and the outlines that we stamped, the black outline, that's not going to be hidden when you stamp it. Anyways, I've been making it a mission of mine to do more and more nail art and really bring out and challenge myself, like bring out the creative side of myself, because if you know me, you know I like to paint and create drawings and stuff like that. I'm very artistic in my personal life, so I like to bring that out into my nail art. So I even created an Instagram account specifically to only show off nail art designs, not my dip powder manicures. So if you're ever curious on why I don't usually post my dip powder manicures anymore on Instagram, that's why. Anyways, I am literally finishing up this mani, just rolling the stamp on there, and then I'm going to top coat these off camera because it's going to take a minute because I'm going to use a gel top coat for this, and then I will be back with the finished product for you guys. Alright, here he is, the little guy. He is so cute. I love it. I love how it turned out. And I love the simplicity of just one stamp, not a bunch of art on all my nails. I feel like the polish, the blue polish, really just speaks for itself and does most of the work. I mean, look how vibrant it is outside in the sun. Anyways, if you guys are interested and you really like what you see here today, be sure to like this video and subscribe and turn on notifications to see when my next upload is. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye!